To explain a bit more thoroughly, there's a dilemma in maintaining Australian judges where it's the Australian Parliament who maintains them. That is constructed that the Australian judges is to maintain the Australian lawyers as well. So it comes trickling down, but you can't rely that Australia can maintain their judges, especially if they make laws which goes against the Constitution. Like, the federal judge must act against any law and raise it so that they can dismiss the government themselves by passing an application through the High Court. But because of their failure, all federal judges needs to be dismissed in that decision by Parliament. But Parliament can't be qualified to actually make that decision by passing the law, which was passed into law by the Governor-General, which then makes conflict of interest. So there has to be a question to the Queen's Council to make a decision to dismiss Australian government. Judiciary, politically as well, executively at least, there needs to be some consideration and some filtering process that does Australian officials really act in Australia's interests? And they need to make it more clear and distinct that they must oppose New Zealand's interests within Australia. Otherwise, they can be considered as a traitor by working against the Constitution. So there may be a condition already breached that treason may have already occurred since COVID. There was a COVID march to Canberra and there was injury as a result. Australia, I don't think, has a right of defence, being that they're not a legitimate government for a right of defence. So it is important that the Constitution is functional as it should. Otherwise, there's going to be mistakes.